Today, we're taking a trip back in time to an era when photography was all about patience, intention, and the magic of film. Let me introduce you a gem in my collection, the Yashica FX-3 Super 2000, a true manual 35mm SLR that still has a place in today's photography's world. This beauty was launched in 1980s, built like a tank but surprisingly compact, fully mechanical, lightweight, and no nonsense. The FX3 Super 2000 features a metal focal plane shutter with a speed of 1 over 2000s, hence the name. No fancy electronics, no autofocus, just for you, your eye, and the light meter inside. One of the best things about this camera, it takes Contax Yashica or CY mount lenses, meaning access to some beautiful car-size glass. Loading film is fully manual, and advancing the film feels so satisfying. Photographers will know what I mean. Shooting with this camera slows you down. It forces you to think, to compose, meter, and time your shoot. Each frame becomes more meaningful. Look at these results. Soft grain, beautiful tones. That analog charm is unmatched. Whether you are a collector, film enthusiast, or just curious, the FX3 Super 2000 delivers real value without breaking the bank. So, is the Yashica FX3 Super 2000 still worth in 2025? Absolutely. It's reliable, affordable, and timeless. If you are starting in a film photography or adding a solid SLR to your collection, this one is no-brainer. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments. Have you shot with the camera before, or do you have a favorite SLR? Subscribe for more camera reviews, film photography tips, and creative gear deep dives. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.